Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to reset your Grailed password. Here are the detailed steps to reset your Grailed password on the Grailed web app. The first you need to do is to begin by launching your web browser and navigating to Grailed website at www.grailed.com. On the Grailed homepage, go ahead and locate the login button at the top right corner. Of course, if you're having a hard time logging in, then Grailed should definitely take you back to the welcome screen or to the home screen, initial screen, where you can definitely find the login button. So after signing in on the Grailed homepage, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on login, which will open the login form. In the login form, beneath the fields for entering your email and password, you will see the link that says forgot your password with a question mark. Click on this link to initiate the password and reset process. After clicking the forgot your password link, a new page will appear asking you to enter the email address associated with your Grailed account. Type your email address carefully into the text field. And once you've entered your email, click on the submit or send recent link button depending on the label Grailed uses or depending on your updated version of Grailed. Grailed will now send a password resent link to the email address you provided. Open your email inbox and look for an email from Grailed with a subject line like Reset Your Password. If you don't see it immediately, check your spam or junk folder in case the email was filtered there. Once you locate the email, open it, and with the instructions provided, there will be a link in the email to reset your password. Click on the Reset Password link or button within the email. After clicking the link, you will be redirected to the Grailed website where you can create a new password. Enter a new password in the provided field. Make sure it meets Grailed password criteria, example, the minimum length, a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters if required. Re-enter the password in the confirmation field to ensure accuracy. Once you've entered and confirmed your new password, click on the Submit or Update button to save your changes. Grailed will now update your accounts with a new password. You will be automatically redirected to the login page. Use your email address and the newly created password to log into your account. And after successfully logging in, browse the website or access your account settings to ensure everything is working correctly. If the password reset was unsuccessful, try the process again or contact Grailed support system. That's the step-by-step process to restart your password on the Grailed web app. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.